Hey guys, today I'll show you how to download and install Hollow Knight Silksong game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website and click on sign in option you will see on the top and just create the Steam account. This is very simple and easy. After you created the Steam account, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top. Then click on install Steam and download and install Steam on your PC. After that, open up the Steam, sign in your account, click on the top search box and just type Hollow Knight Silksong. You will find this game on the top, so just click on it. After that, click on add to cart. Now click on view my cart. Now simply go ahead and pay the amount for this game. After you pay the amount for this game, just simply go to your library of Steam. This game will be added to your library of Steam. Just find this game and just click on install. That's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, like it, and thanks for watching.